another one. We're going to try this again. Okay, so I switched frequencies a little bit. And this is, I turned up the volume so you could hear it better. I couldn't really hear it when I played it back. So here we go. That's CQ. C. Whoops. CQ. 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 D. E. K. L. 2. S. So that's what I sent right there. And yes, I messed up because I can't talk and chew bubble gum at the same time. So this is the frequency. And yeah, the radio kind of says it's picking up a bunch of spurious stuff, but it isn't. So I got no reply, so we're going to try again. Okay, so, there's a Japanese station, JS2AI. Alright, let's try to get them. It's saying I'm 579, so I got a good signal going in there. Okay, that's him right there. Okay, he just got done, so I said, nice to meet you, Happy New Year, and best wishes, and I gave my call sign. So he's replying. I'm going to log the call. 559, and he sent me a 5, I believe it was 589. So thanks for the contact. And